Welcome back to another video, a quick knowledge check, a Python quiz for you. So let me explain more about this code, what it is, right? So over here, we have a data variable that is containing some values. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we have the index variable. Similarly, it is also containing some value A, B, C, D, E. So over here, we are creating a series, pd.series. So this is how we create a series in Python. All right. So we are creating the series using these two variable, data and the index variable. All right. So over here, pd.series data, and then over here, index equal to index. So this is the function, index function. So what is the index function? So index function, it tells us the integer location of a value. What it means? So over here, you can see 10. It is on the first position, 20, it is on the second position, 30, it is on the third position, and so on. All right. So this is how we look at it, right? But in Python, how we understand the integer location of a value? We understand it by index number. So index number for 10 is 0. Index number for 20 is 1. Index number for 30 is 2, right? And so on. So this is how we understand. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So now the index number for 10 is 0. So we have labeled 0 as A. Index number for 20 is 1. So we have labeled 1 as B. And similarly, like for this one and for this one, we have labeled it with C, D, E. All right. So now over here, what we are doing, we are printing the series. So series dot iloc and then this condition. All right. So what is iloc? So iloc, it's an indexer for accessing the elements by their integer location. All right. So here we are doing like series dot log and then this condition. Pause the video right here and write down your answer first. All right. So this is the best approach to check your knowledge, right? After 10 seconds, I will run this code and then you can compare your answer with the output. All right. So now I'm running this code. So hit on run, then you can see 10, 30, and 50. This is the output. So how and why this output is coming? Over here, we have defined some condition. So iloc and then this condition, right? So what it is doing, it is taking the first value, which is 10. It is printing the 10. Then it will print the second value. So basically, it will skip one value and then it will print the second value. So after the 10, what we have here, we have 10. And then after that, we have skip one value and then second value is 30, right? So it is printing this 30. Then again, it will jump and then print the second value from 30. So 1 and then second value from 30 is 50, right? So it is printing the 50. What if I do it something like this? So now what it will do, it will print the first value, it will print the 10, and then it will print the third value from the 10. So it will print the 10, then third value from the 10 is 1, 2, 3. It will print the 40. And after that, we do not have some value, so it will stop over here. So what it will print? It will print 10 and 40, right? So if you want to print the entire series, so what you can do, you can just get rid of this 3 as well. Now what it will do, it will print from 10 to 50. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So yeah, so this is how it works. Make sure to give me the thumbs up on this video and subscribe this channel if you haven't yet. All right. So have a wonderful day or night, depending on your location. Meet you in the another video.